हेलो नमस्कार फेरि पनि स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु आज मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा हजुरहरूको समक्ष फेरि एउटा नयाँ भिडियो लिएर प्रस्तुत भएको छु। आशा गर्दछु कि तपाईँले यो भिडियो मन पराउनुहुन्छ भनेर र यो भिडियो बारे कुराकानी गर्न अगाडि मैले पहिला अपलोड गरेको थिएँ भिडियो जहाँ मैले जिरेनियमको रिपोर्टिङ बारे देखाएको थिएँ र स्पेसली स्टकको रिपोर्टिङ बारे भर्खर मात्रैमा मैले युट्युबमा भिडियो लगाएको थिएँ र त्यसको प्रगति हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यु क्यान सी द ग्रोथ एन्ड द डेभलपमेन्ट अफ द प्लान्ट्स आफ्टर रिपोर्टिङ। नाउ regarding today's video, today we have a new video on bonsai reporting, and without wasting much time, let's go for the bonsai. Here is my media and my special Schfflera bonsai plant. This bonsai, the name of this plant is Schfflera. It is a variegated Schfflera with yellow variegation over green leaves, and this is almost 15 years old. So more than 15 years since old. I have put it in the rectangular pot previously. The bonsai, whatever the form it is, it does not look very nice or it's not very showy. So what we will do today is that we're gonna change this pot and we will try to give it a new shape. This is my round circular round tray pot in which I will pot this bonsai plant, Schfflera bonsai plant. The height of the plant, the height of the pot is equal to the diameter of the trunk. So let's first repot it. Let's first gently take out the moss cover because it will help. We can again put it in after reporting it into a fresh media, and slowly and carefully let us take out this moss cover, and you can see the roots out there. Now what we will do is that we will slowly take out all the materials, all the old potting media, and keep it aside somewhere and pot it in a fresh media. You can see the flow of roots. So let's take the old media out. You can see the leaves of this plant. The roots, wow, they're quite healthy. Since I have put it in one side of the one corner of the rectangular pot, the development of roots are only on the single side. Now what I will do is that I will repot it in a circular pot and try to entangle this root or around the pot in all the directions, so that the development of the plant takes as a whole and it becomes circular input. So what we're gonna do is that we will put this stone at the in the middle. What happens when you put the stone in the middle is that the plant, the extra water which you so we are ready now away from that pour. And so first thing is that I will not I will try to bring the main trunk of the plant as in the center as much as I can, but if I can't, but still it is okay because there are a lot of adventitous root which have already developed into a real root, and I will try to make sure that it stays inside the pot, and the main part of the tree, that is the main branches should remain at the center of the pot. So I will try to do that, and now let's put some media in it. Okay, so let's keep the tree straight and put some media. Slowly put it from all over the part of the roots, especially when you are trying to make the media of the bonsai plant. Then you must take care of three things. Number one, it must be airy. Number one, that means the air should enter the media. Okay. Number two is that it must be well drainage. It must not hold the water for so long, or nor it should be dry easily. So you must take care of both of these things, as well as the next thing is that since the bonsai is for all over the year, that means the media should provide nutrient to the plant all over the year. Therefore, you must use those media which can release the nutrient in slow amount but regularly for a very long interval of time. That is the reason why I use three things, especially in this potting media of bonsai. Number one is leaf mold. Decomposing leaf mold, what happens is that it as long as it decomposes, it will readily release nutrients which will be essential for the growth of the plant. So decomposing leaf mold is one of the important criteria for the bonsai materials. Although many people may not agree with me, but I have been using this for a very long period of time. So the first thing is that decomposing leaf mold. Another is that I like to use the perlite. So perlite will keep the media aerated, as well as it will keep as well as it will help in easy drainage of overwater. Easy drainage of the water. Along with it, I need to keep the media tight, and strong. So for that, I use sand, coarse sand, of course, the river sand. What happens is that the river sand will not only make the media tight, or it will help in the easy drainage of water, but it also contain a lot of humus, which humus material are here, such nutrients which will be beneficial for the growth of the plants. Therefore, these are the three things I use in most of the plants. Along with it, I also use Schfflera for some of the I also use bone meal for some of the flowering plants. The flowering bonsai such as azaleas, rhododendron, wisteria, etc. So this is how I make the media. And after putting on media, you must be very careful of putting the media all over the side of the root, and don't keep anything empty within the root, because it may help the insects to get inside and eat your plants or destroy your plants. And after that, after putting the media, since when you water it, and all the media can be drained, so you must be very careful while watering. What I do is that in order to avoid the overflow of the water and the drainage of the media, I put moss on it, so that in this moss, what will it do is that it will hold the media with the pot, as well as it will not allow the media to dry up easily. So these are some of the things that this moss layer of the moss above the media will help you regarding the bonsai. This is how I make the bonsai, and I hope you like the video of this bonsai material, and hopefully that you will support me in the form of like, comment, share, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. र तपाईहरु नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाईले मलाई मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिन सक्नुहुन्छ। र म साधारणतः नेपालीमा नै भिडियो बनाउने गर्छु, तर कुनै भिडियो म अंग्रेजीमा पनि बनाउने गरेको छु। जस्तै कि यो भिडियो मैले अंग्रेजीमा बनाएको छु, र यदि अंग्रेजीमै बनाए तापनि यसको जुन चाहिँ प्रोसेस छ मैले त्यो पूर्ण रूपले देखाएको छु। कुनै कुरा पनि लुकाएको छैन, र यसले तपाईलाई मद्दत गर्छ भन्ने जस्तो मलाई आशा लागेको छ। यदि तपाईँलाई लाग्छ कि यो भिडियो तपाईँको लागि राम्रो थियो, मन पर्यो भने यसलाई तपाईँले सोचेर लाइक, कमेन्ट, सेयर अनि सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु सक्नुहुन्छ मेरो च्यानललाई।